Welcome to the sixth video of this playlist. Today, we will handle events and update the state. In React, your UI changes from one state to another, and the state is local to the component, meaning a component can have its own state. Now, let's make our counter component interactive. Since the quantity is now in state, we can change them based on user interaction by clicking either plus or minus button. To do that, we're going to create an event handler function that updates the state by using the setSetter function, setQuantity. Then, we will link this function to these buttons using the onClick event. Let's start by creating an event handler function. So add function, let's say increment, add setQuantity, then increase the value of quantity by 1. So add quantity plus 1. To use them, in the increment button, add onClick event, pass increment function without parentheses because we want to use this function only when a button is clicked. Check the preview and it works. We can decrease the quantity by using a similar function. So let me copy this function, change the name of function to decrement. Then here it should be quantity minus 1 since we are decreasing the quantity by 1. I also don't want a negative quantity number, so I will add an if statement. In the condition add quantity is greater than 0, then I will move this code inside the if statement. To use them, in the decrement button, add onClick event, decrement. Check the preview. It works. When the quantity is 0, it does not decrease anymore. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll create an application state. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and see you soon.